Um, so Sam just asked me if I'd ever been to the Sahara, and I've been to the beach over there. That's the closest that I've been. So, what advice can you give me?
So my perception, and again, this goes back to life perceptions, and my perception was Lossie Beach.
Right,
And I did much of my training.
like mine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
much of my training was done on the dunes at Lossie,
Mm.
which did not prepare me at all for the Sahara. So I knew that going to the toilet was going to be a bit of an issue.
Yeah.
And I thought that I was going to be very hot.
Mm.
But I knew that I could walk on a beach, so that was fine. But
Right.
actually, it's completely different. The landscape is very different. There's not a lot to crouch behind.
Right.
And so training your mind to go at certain times was important. And having a very good friend that
training
didn't...
your mind. It's like, no, or
well, kind of.
kind of.
Or making sure that you've got a nice big headscarf and a good friend that doesn't mind holding it for you is also important.
The headscarf
round your waist while you crouch. But dunes are they're not Lossie Beach dunes. They're huge, and very often it's 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. I used walking poles for the first 2 days and wondered why I was struggling with them until I realised that the bits that you put on the bottom that help you in sand were not on there. They were still in there for using on rocks. So that was a problem. But then also walking across salt plains in the Sahara, where it's very hot and very hard. There's not a lot of loose sand in the Sahara. So when I took a little shovel with me,
there's not a lot of loose sand, because I got this vision.
There is on the dunes, but the bed of the Sahara isn't very sandy. So I, in my mind, thought I can just dig a hole and go in a hole. And took a little shovel with me, packed in my bag. But you
like
can't
a little
dig a
garden
hole.
trowel or something.
Yeah, it was
like
it was foldable, so it was a portable trowel. But I never used it because you can't. And the other important thing to take to the Sahara, if you ever go, is either a box of matches and a lighter. Because whereas things will decompose, if you do take toilet paper, that doesn't. So it's important to set fire to that after you've finished using it.
You set fire to the toilet paper. Right. I would never have even guessed that was possible. Thank you. Madness.